teacher can never truly teach unless he is still learning himself. A lamp can never light another lamp unless it continues to burn its own flame. The world as we knew it changed in the blink of an eye. Schools closed overnight and students were confined to their homes. It left the educators scrambling to respond to its exigencies. The alacrity of the GIS team resulted in a swift response to the pandemic and a spate of online classes for learners of every level, ranging from scholastic subjects, post-scholastic areas such as performing arts, to mental wellness and physical fitness. At GIS, teachers who were intimidated by technology now have taken the bull by its horns, taking up the challenge of doing the new, teaching in virtual classrooms, learning technology, ensuring knowledge transfer is happening even as we socially distance ourselves. We have done it with aplomb. We create asynchronous assignments on collaborative platforms such as Google Documents, Google Drive, SlideShare, Quizlet, Kahoot, Jamboard, Padlet, and Nearpod for learners to collaborate, discuss, listen to others, reflect, assess peers, and make it an immersive learning experience. With the help of formal and informal meetings, we share experiences, challenges, and strategies for better classroom management and multi-dimensional experiences for the learners. Allow me to take you through a series of classroom transaction strategies and tools. Teachers at Tagore International School create lessons and learning modules on a weekly basis, which they then share with the students. One such platform that we use is Padlet. In this platform, we can put the PDF of the NCERT text, we can put resources from various websites, we can put the simulations, the worksheets, the collaborative Jamboard, which will be used during the classes, the video lessons, all can be put together in one platform and then shared with the students. Assessment is an integral part of the teaching and learning process. So a lot of assessments is done using Google Forms, be it a research-based activity or an MCQ-based assessment, which is done after each topic taken up in the class. Various quizzes are designed for the students using Quizlet platform. Jamboard is used during the class for recapitulation and for collaboration. For problem solving, also it is being used in the class. This is an example where Jamboard has been used to solve the in-text questions from NCERT textbook. To map the academic progress of the students, each teacher has created a Google Classroom for our own subject and our own grade. This maps the progress of the student and keeps a record of their performance. A lot of simulation is being used, especially in teaching science and mathematics. PHET is one such platform which provides a lot of simulators which can be used by the students. These are a few examples where the students have created various circuits and measured the voltages and the current rating. A lot of video lessons are being used to initiate discussion in the class. Whiteboard is being used to assign classwork, and the teacher can monitor and supervise the work being done during the class. A lot of art integrated activities and experiential learning activities are integrated in our teaching learning process. I'll show you a few examples. This is created by a student using electronic waste. We encourage the students to present their work using any form of artwork. In this particular example, the students have used foam to showcase their work on electricity. This is a research work done by the students of grade 10 on the same topic, electricity.
All cameras on, please. It's a 10-marker test and 20 minutes time will be allotted. I'm going to assign it in the Google Classroom. It should be handwritten, properly scanned. Make sure when you scan, the whole page is scanned, and then finally upload it in the Google Classroom in the PDF format.
For image recognition, we need at least 10 examples.
Ma'am, when I clicked on add new label, then ma'am, what shall we do? Okay.
You will get a new bucket. You need to type a name
and paste these two flaps.
To put the little amount?
Yes, little amount. Too much of Fevicol will make it too slippery. It's pasted. You will have this thing like this, a pocket from here.
Alright
Alright children, let's start with the hand movements now. We place our hands in the center. Okay, the two movements which we will be doing is one is the upward where we draw a line, we go up, we roll our hand and we come back straight. We repeat the same thing, we go up, roll our hands and we come back straight.
These are two activities which I would suggest. You could click the picture, make a note of it. You could simply create a star, maybe pin it on a wall or on your softboard and use it as a breathing exercise, you know. If you try and follow what is being suggested to you, you will be able to reach a point where you feel much more control of yourself. You feel much more positive about things around you. Yeah. So, you know, all these things will create that change inside you. And at the end, it is all about you guys. You have to take control of the situation.
So educators and students at EIS have found a new normal and they have established a new equilibrium. Thank you.
I congratulate all of you, and trust me, I'm saying this with utmost sincerity, that I'm very humbly thanking all of you for the fantastic, outstanding work that each one of you, teachers and school leaders, are doing in this noble task of nation building. I wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.